Okay, so we at Walmart and I had to get a few things, which is 2 tomatoes, some pull-ups, diaper things. This right here. I have my nephews with me. We got 2 breads, one for my mom and one for me, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and get some more dishwasher pads, pocket pads, whatever it's called. That's what I'm getting. Say hi to the camera.
I want to get out.
Can't nobody see. You ain't getting out because I gotta get some stuff. We gotta get one more thing. Come on, sit down. Sit down inside. That's dangerous. All right.
The octopus.
They just put, y'all just put on anything. He just put on anything. He kind of matching. And his jacket kind of match. No, let me see. Yeah, it don't match. It kind of match. Okay. Got this skirt. I was gonna get y'all something from a different store, but since you said I'm mean, I guess I'm not getting that.
I didn't say.
Oh, okay. So I have this scarf, everything from Goodwill, shoes, LV purse, and my Balenciagas again, and jewelry from Shein.
There's another one right here.
Say hi. I guess I gotta find somebody. Sit down. I gotta find somebody to. Find somebody to open the liquor thing, cause. Like the third outfit change.
Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Mix up a dollar. Mix up a dollar. It got grass in the dollar. So it's grass Dollar Tree. It makes a dollar in a tree.
The fact that you mix that up like that is crazy.
Dollar Tree, grass, Dollar Tree.
That boy said mix up a place and $1 and you have Dollar Tree.
What does this say? What's that? Timer. Dollar Tree.
What?
That white timer over there. That ain't no timer.
Ain't no timer.
It is. It's in our house.
All right. We about to go in Dollar Tree. I'm just gonna get like 2 things, 3 things for Cha-Cha, and then you can buy whatever you want, and make sure you buy your brother something. Show the camera what the lady gave you. A lady gave him $5, a $5 bill at Walmart. So now he finna go in Dollar Tree. And, okay, they don't need to see no more. He gonna go in Dollar Tree and buy him something and get his brother something as well. Okay?
Can we get a toy too?
I mean, you can get whatever you want with your money.
Yeah.
I mean, it gotta be under $5 though.
Aiden, we can get a truck. The truck that's up there. There's a fire truck up there. This one has keys. This one. We found the destruction workers. Yeah. You get it? Yeah. Peppa, Aiden. We didn't see him. I want this food. Why? No, I didn't want the sticky guy. Yeah. I want those guys up there that have 2 guys up there. Oh, this one already has the same. Can I have
Now put it in the bag.
this one? And this one.
Put it in the bag.
This one?
Put that in the bag. It makes sense to do it that way.
This my phone.
Nope, you see how much it is? Here it is. Get a switch out there. And I'll get it to her. Back at home, and we are about to try on these clothes. I'm pretty sure they can fit them, but let's just see. We got them from Once Upon a Child with you, Aiden. Get out the camera, Adrian. Go ahead, come up to the camera and show them what you're wearing. You have a Jurassic Park shirt. Stand right there. Jurassic Park shirt. Give it a little spin. Okay, go forward a little bit. You too close. And then you have some green shorts on. Turn. Nobody needs to see all that. Okay, go back a little bit. Over this way. Okay. Here you go. Now, what you rate the? You ain't gotta have that close. Have it right here. What you rate the outfit? 1 out of 10.
2 out of 10.
You don't like it?
I mean, 9 out of 10.
All right, Adrian, come on. Go ahead, change.
Next one?
Yeah. Step back. Step right there. Okay. You like the shirt? The shirt look nice. It look nice. Light McQueen. Go ahead. It's got some shorts. Give it a little spin. Turn around. Okay. Turn around. And that shirt was, how much was it? This shirt was $1.50, and then we got another $1.50 for the shorts. So what's that? Like $3? $3 for this outfit. High five on that one. Ah, all right. Go ahead and change. And then I think this outfit. That's not yours. These are not yours. Take them off. Your clothes is over there. This, I don't even know how much this was. I don't even know if she charged me. I don't freaking know. But this shirt was $1.50. Okay, go change, sir. Go change. Okay, so now we have this outfit here. Go ahead and show them the shirt. It is a Spider-Man shirt. Cute. Turn around. Simple, plain. Turn around. I said turn around. Okay. And the shirt, how much was it? Let me see, crazy. Those the pants. How much the pants?
2020.
2015. No.
And 50.
No. It was 2050. That's a lot of money. I don't think I spent that.
150.
It's $150. Oh wow. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot. So
I get this one.
you're too close to it. Yeah.
I get this one to a
1 to 10.
uh, uh, 8 and a 10.
8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Okay. Okay, so we have the next outfit, which is a black. I guess this is a fitted shirt. It's just black. It's simple. How much is that?
$2.50.
Okay, $2.50. All right, and the pants.
$2.50. This 150.
It's $1.50.
Yes.
All right, give it a spin. You like it? Rate the outfit.
Yes, I do like it. I do like it, and this one is a 3 out of 10.
So you don't like
I still do though.
it? A 3 out of 10 is bad.
Change my number into a 5 out of 10.
So you kind of like it. Okay. All right, next. Hello, come on.
Come on.
Get over here and change.
I have another shirt.
Yeah. Is that shirt on backwards? Get over here. Let me see.
Those are my last clothes.
Okay, back up. Go on over there. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back. Do you know how to back up?
Into the corner that I was in.
Over there. Yeah. Okay, give a spin. All right, we have the last outfit for Aiden. And how much is the shirt?
$1.50.
Good job. And how much is the shorts?
$1.50.
Period. All right. That's good. Okay, so go ahead and give a spin. All right. That's a nice outfit. I like that. Yeah, that's what's up. Okay, so how you rate it?
It's a 6 out of 10.
All right. Okay.
Right. Actually, those the 6 out of 10, the 5 out of 10, and the 8.
That's like like
8 out of 10.
8, 9, and 10 is good.
8 out of 10.
So you're doing 8 out
I
of 10
did
or 6
that,
out of 10?
and now it's a 10 out of 10.
Okay. Thank you. Go ahead and change it to your clothes. All right, so we have the second to last outfit, and what can you stand up for us? Give us a spin. This is really cute. Okay, turn around, turn. Yeah, I see that. I see your shoulder. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, I like the outfit. Okay, yeah. So how much is the shirt? All right, how much is the shirt? Let me see the tags. Can I see the tags? Goodness gracious. This is can you back up $1.50? $1.50 for the shirt, and then we have no, this was $4.50.
$2.50.
Baby, that's too much. That's too much for some shorts. Yeah, yours was cheap. I found yours for a good price. Okay, that's a cute outfit. How you rate it? One of these or one of these? Okay, all right. Let's go ahead and change it to the next one. Okay, so this is the last outfit for Adrian. Now, let's go ahead and turn around. Turn. I like the shorts. I like your shirt. Cute. How much was the shirt? Let me see. Let me see how much the shirt. No. It's how much? How much the shirt? How much the shirt? How much you said it was? $6.
$1.50.
$1.50. Good job. And the pants is
$1.50.
$1.50. Good job. Yeah. That's what's up. And how do you rate this outfit? Get over here in the camera, crazy. How did you rate this outfit? Like this or down?
This? You want to do
okay, good
can I
job.
talk to something else?
Can you what?
Can you talk to something else?
Talk to something else.
Let me do something. Can we do that? Can we do that after you're done? We can get together and talk to the mic. No. Oh yeah. This Tessa new house. She live here and Our mom picking us up and we stand there. Thank you for letting us show our closing. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, so now we about to be done. Okay. We got other babies in the house. They crying and they doing too much. So let's just end this video here because he need a whooping. In this video here, y'all had a good day.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, so y'all liked your outfits?
Yes. Yes.
We're gonna end it. We're gonna say like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye.
No. I just saying. He can say comment and I can say like. Like, subscribe. Like, subscribe.
Okay.